लिव्हरमध्ये इन्फेक्शन क्रिएट केल्यानंतर तिथून बाहेर पडणारे दोन्ही प्रकारचे जे मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम्स आहेत, क्रिप्टोमेरोझॉइड्स फ्रॉम प्री इरिथ्रोसायटिक सायकल अँड मेटाक्रिप्टोमेरोझॉइड्स फ्रॉम एक्झो इरिथ्रोसायटिक सायकल, both type of organism come to the blood flow and start to infect the RBCs. After entering into the red blood corpuscles, this microorganism change its shape and become rounded disc-like. Now this structure is called tropozoid. This tropozoid grows in size by ingesting the hemoglobin of that corpuscles and convert into the next stage called as signet ring stage. This structure is usually single present in a single cell, but sometime about 6 signet ring structure may be present in a single corpuscles. Because of the feeding vigorously, this organism develop a vacuoles inside his body, and because of this vacuole formation, the nucleus get pushed toward the periphery, and this structure is look like a ring. Hence, this structure is called as a signet ring stage. At this stage, these microorganisms secrete a toxic malarial pigment called as hemozoin inside the RBCs, which is responsible for malarial fever in human body. Next of this structure convert into the amoeboidal stage. The vacuole inside the body get disappear and the structure becomes amoeboidal shape. The pseudopodial processes are develops and spread into the cytoplasm of that corpuscles. Amoeboidal stage then convert into the schizont. Here, this organism divides by multiple fission and forms about 24 nuclei inside the cell structure, and these schizont get developed. All these organisms are small, oval and uninucleated parasite. Now they are called as erythrocytic merozoids or schizoids. These erythrocytic merozoids are arranged like petals, and hence this stage is called as rosette stage. It means after schizont, this organism shows the stage of rosette stage. Here the organisms are uninucleated and top shape. After completion of the development, these RBC get rupture and all these organisms, that is merozoids, come to the blood flow and start to infect the new RBC cell. Some of these get destroyed by WBCs, while some get converted into the gametocytic cell instead of infecting the new RBCs. These merozoids form two types of gametes, male gametes and female gametes, or microgametocytes and macrogametocytes. Both these gametocytes remain free and flow along with the blood flow inside the infected human body. If this blood is tested under electron microscope, then these gametocytes are observed like this. मलेरियासाठी इन्फेक्ट करणारा जो प्लाझ्मोडियम आहे त्याच्या इतर जातींमध्ये जर आपण पाहिलं तर त्यांचं इन्फेक्शन अशा प्रकारचं आपल्याला इलेक्ट्रॉन मायक्रोस्कोपमध्ये दिसून येतं.